build good habits. Okay? By the time you know it, you're varsity players.
Okay, day 2 mga ka-winners. Maulan dito sa Guam weather.
Maulan, konti. Maulan talaga oh.
Kaya maulan, coach. Dark skies. Pero mamaya makaraw na yan. Ganito sa Guam eh. Uulan, aaraw. On the way to George Washington for day 2 camp. Let's go. We're here mga ka-winners. Let's go. Day 2, let's go.
Handle the ball when there's a chance for you to do something. Okay?
Good job. Dribble.
We have rules. Play fair. Like we have rules to make sure there's no chaos. Very important to shoot free throws, and you gotta practice it on your own. Okay, don't rely on your coach to practice it. You gotta practice it on your own. That's why it's called free throws. It's a free shot. You gotta make it. Build good habits. Okay? By the time you know it, you're varsity players, this will be your coaches. And by the time you have good habits, you will have good playing time. If you don't have good habits, less playing time. So as early as now, you build good habits. Are we clear? And practice on your own. Practice on your own. Don't let your coaches practice you. You practice on your own. That's your extra. Okay? Good job for today.
All right, break on 2, break!